To provide a better flight experience, DJI will release new firmware versions from time to time. In this video, we will show you how to update the Matrice 200 V2 series firmware. Remove the aircraft's propellers before the update. To avoid update failure, please fully charge the aircraft and remote controller. Updating the firmware via DJI Pilot. Connect a mobile device to a network. Then connect it to the remote controller. Turn on the remote controller and aircraft. Launch DJI Pilot. When launching, DJI Pilot will automatically check for an update. When the new firmware is available notification appears, tap Details to enter the firmware update page. Tap Start Upgrading. Then the aircraft and remote controller will automatically start to update. Please wait until the app prompts finish. Updating the firmware with DJI Assistant 2. Turn on a PC and connect it to the internet. Connect the remote controller to the PC with a micro USB cable. After the remote controller is connected to the PC, launch DJI Assistant 2 for Matrice. Click the Sentence S icon to enter the firmware update page. Click the Upgrade All button, check the firmware version, and then click Start Update to begin the update. Please wait until Update Complete prompt appears. If you only want to update the aircraft, please toggle the aircraft's rear USB port switch to PC. Then, connect the aircraft to the PC with a USB-A cable and update the firmware with DJI Assistant 2. Hit the like button if this tutorial was helpful. If you need any support with your DJI gear, feel free to contact us via Facebook Messenger by following the link in the description. Thank you for watching.